Hello traders, did you know that the Nasdaq 100 is currently trading in a downward sloping channel? Join me as we take a look at the charts. Hello traders, my name is Jacques and we're currently taking a look at the Nasdaq on a 4-hour time frame. Now as you can see, the market made a steady move to the downside up until we found this very nice divergence, a bullish divergence. So divergence is basically when price starts making higher lows, but our indicator, in this case the stochastic oscillator, is making lower lows. So there's basically a divergence in the direction of travel where price is going higher and our indicator is going lower. This is a very strong signal, especially for reversals, and since this is a higher time frame, we had this very nice up move after the divergence formed. Now currently, after that upward push, we made the most recent high over here, and from there it's just been downhill ever since. Now as you can see here, the market is basically trapped in a downward sloping channel. Now channels can potentially give you very good risk reward trades. So what we're looking for is basically for price action to be in the upper half of our channel, and then we need some additional confirmation, usually something like the stochastic oscillator that's either overbought or at least the main line and the signal line cross. That's one option. Another option is something like support and resistance, or whatever other confirmation you would like or you usually use. So in this case we're using stochastic, and as you can see here in the pink circles, usually when the stochastic main and signal line cross and we're above the middle line of the channel, we have some very decent moves to the downside. Here's another example where we're fairly close to the upper trend line of our channel, stochastic main and signal line crossed, and again we had this very nice move to the downside. Then we had another one over here where we just basically went above the upper trend line, and we also touched the 18414 level, and again a very nice move in the downside, having a test of the 200 period simple moving average. Now currently as we're speaking, the Nasdaq 100 again moved up. It's above the middle line, halfway on its way to the upper trend line, and we have this nice rejection. You can see those long wicks of the 18266 resistance level. Now with that, the stochastic at this stage is overbought, meaning above 80, and it's about to cross. It hasn't crossed yet, so you will need to make a decision for yourself whether you want to enter a little bit earlier or you want to wait for that decent confirmation with the main line and the signal line of stochastic cross. However, we have a downward bias in the short term where we expect the market to at least touch the 18063 level, perhaps the 200 period simple moving average. These are two of the main targets to the downside. However, in the long term, we do expect prices to continue to rise, because as you can see, the majority of the time we are trading above our 200 period simple moving average. So if the market starts breaking above the 18414 level, we will be targeting these previous highs over here and potentially even seeing higher highs being created. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, safe trading, and I hope to see you soon.